Is this the best manga reader for PC? Let's find out. First, you need to open up your browser. On your browser, you need to search for TachiDesk. Once you search for the TachiDesk, you will have the GitHub link. You need to click on it. Make sure that you're on the server section. The second link. After that, scroll down to the latest section. Here on the right side, click on the latest release. Once you click on it, scroll down to the asset section and download the MSI file. So I'll just simply go with this one. Once the download is complete, begin installation. On the top right, you will have the downloading process right here. So just wait for a few minutes till it downloads. And once it downloaded, to begin the installation process, you need to double click on that downloaded folder. And once you double click, the installation process will automatically start. After that, complete the installation process and you can open up your Suwayomi launcher. Search for Suwayomi launcher and then open it up. Over here, you need to click on launch, which will be on the bottom. If Windows Defender blocks it, click on allow access. Once launched, Suwayomi will open in your browser. Now, once it has been opened, click on browse, which will be on the left side, and go to the extensions section, which is right here in the middle. After that, go to settings. Over here, open a new tab. Go with a new tab right here, whichever browser you're using, and then search for Kyoshi extensions, and then go with the GitHub link. After that, scroll down and you will have the start guide right here. Tap on getting started guide. After that, scroll down and copy the repo URL. Click on the repo URL right here. You will have the URL right here. You need to click on it. Just go back and then here, right click on it and then copy. Then go back to your Suwayomi launcher and then enter the link. Paste the link right here and click on add, which is here on the bottom. After that, go to browse and then go with the extensions again. And after adding, over here, you will see a list of extensions. Click on any extensions and install it. So that's basically how you can use Suwayomi. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.